Switch on instruction. Important: before you switch on the system, please make sure that the power and compressed air supply is connected. Please turn on the main switch first. Then open the ball valve for the compressed air supply. Please switch on the control and the hydraulic motor. Please remove the night cap from the 2C material valve. Then press the pistol and the shortage unlock button at the same time. Please check whether both components come out of the material joint. If this is not the case, please check the material joint for blockages and the function of the 2C material valve. Then please clean the material joint and place the mixer on it. After the mixer is seated on the material joint, the protective pipe can be screwed on. Please press the pistol and the shortage unlock button at the same time to fill the mixer. The system is then ready for use. Switch off instruction. Please switch off the hydraulic motor first. Please remove the mixer afterwards. Please then press the pistol to release the system's working pressure. After the working pressure has been released, please clean the material joint. Cover the material opening with the t-s-i.de lubricant grease. Item number 0001-9998-0031. And screw on the night cap. Finally, switch off the control, the main switch and the compressed air supply.